let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute shot of gold in front of us. Gold has surprised us again with this big gap up opening. In our previous video on Saturday, we discussed about the crucial role of 4600 because 4600 was acting as a magnet. Sometimes market was trading above 4600, sometimes it was trading below 4600, but ultimately it was coming back to 4600. It was a sideways market, pathetic market, and at the time of market closing, okay, market also closed just below the 4600. Yeah, and we discussed that okay, market needs to get out of this range, otherwise the pathetic trend will continue. But we also discussed that we need to stay in touch with the news because in the last few weeks we have seen that the market openings are full of action. There was a time when market openings were dull, there was not much action, and market used to pick volume during the US session on Monday. But nowadays we see that market is full of action, and mostly because of the news during the weekend. And same thing happened, news came out during the weekend, because of which we can see a massive gap up opening on the chart of gold. After the gap up opening, gold made a high of 4691. After the market has come down for retracement, and now gold is trading around 4600, 4665 at the time of recording the video. So if you're wondering what is the trend of the market of Vilas right now, the trend of the market is bullish. In a previous video, the trend of the market, okay, that we discussed was sideways because market was stuck in a range. But now things have changed and we can see the market sentiment is bullish. At the time of recording the video, okay, now we see the candles, okay, are showing retracement or consolidation, but overall trend is bullish because of the ongoing market sentiment. I forgot to mention one thing, that okay, we will also be discussing silver, okay, after the gold video, because silver is unavoidable these days. Okay, so we will also be covering silver in short. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities. But before I proceed, I would like to show you one thing, guys. As we all know, Forex is a decentralized market. So in your chart, okay, there may not be a big gap up like this. Right now, okay, on the platform of TradingView, I'm using the chart of Oenda. Oenda is a broker. Okay, so if I switch to forex.com, you can see the gap up is gone. Okay, there is no gap up here. Okay, we have a massive green candle. Okay, if we use the chart of FXCM, here also we do not have any gap up. Okay, FX Open is also a broker, but here you can see we have a gap up here. Or if we switch to our beloved Vantages chart, okay, here also we can see a gap up opening. So in most of the brokers, you will see a gap up opening. So it shows that, okay, yes, there have been